YouTube. Excuse me for that. Hold on for a second. What's good, YouTube? I'm about to get ready to watch One Guy, One Screwdriver. They told me this was some nasty shit. I have never seen this before. So I'm about to watch it now and see what it's all about. But YouTube, man, y'all should come check your little nigga out. This that little nigga Cool Kid signing in though. And I'm about to watch this One Guy, One Screwdriver.
You are demons. I think the only thing you
Oh my
taste
god.
today is your
Ugh.
own blood.
Oh, ugh. Oh my god. Y'all, oh my god. Ugh. Ah! Ugh. Man, this shit is so nasty. Oh my god. Ugh. 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 What the what the fuck? Ugh. Oh my god. Oh my god. YouTube. That was some nasty shit. I ain't never seen no shit like that in my life. Oh my god, that was so fucking gross. Ugh. Ugh. But yeah, this that little nigga Cool Kid. You already slow, man. And I'm out. Peace.